Hey guys, so I'm going to show you real quick how to activate rich pins on your Pinterest account. So to do this, you need to have a business Pinterest account. It's super easy to make one. You probably already have one. It takes about 5 seconds. But if you don't, I'll link in the description below how you can do that. And then you're just going to want to come over to your settings in your Pinterest account and go ahead and find the claim section. And you're going to, I already have a website in here, but I'm actually switching this Pinterest account to a different website. So um, this is what it will look like right here. So you're just going to want to type in your web address. And click claim. And then you're going to click this add HTML tag option. You're going to go ahead and copy what's in this box and click next. And before you click submit, you're going to go to your WordPress dashboard and you are going to, if you haven't already, you're going to need the Yoast SEO plugin. So if you don't have that installed, you're going to go to add new under plugins, just search Yoast, and then click install and then activate. And then you'll get that plugin. This plugin is good for so many reasons, just beyond getting rich pins activated. So you definitely want this plugin regardless for the most part. And then you're going to head over to your Yoast settings and you're going to click on social. And then first go ahead and click on Facebook and make sure this open graph metadata is enabled. For some reason, you need this to be enabled for your rich pins to work. And then you're going to go ahead and paste that meta tag that you copied into this right here, and then click Save Changes. Okay, so now you can go back over to Pinterest and click Submit, and then click Done. And then after you do that, you're going to want to go over to your website and go ahead and pick just like one of your blog posts or something. You're going to want to copy the URL to this. It doesn't matter what page. Just go ahead and pick like a page on your site that has some pins on it. And then Google Rich Pins Validator. And you're going to want to just click on this. And this is the URL that you should be at, developers.pinterest.com. And it should say Rich Pins Validator. So all you need to do is just enter a page on your site with pins on it, click validate. And okay, so your pins have been validated, and then we did HTML tag. That's what we copied and pasted into the site. So just go ahead and make sure that's selected and click apply now. And then they look at it manually sometimes, and sometimes they automatically approve it. But it usually takes under 24 hours for this to get approved, and you do get an email whenever that happens. Last time I did this, I got an email within an hour, so you probably won't have to wait that long. But yeah, that's everything. And if you'd rather take your time and look at this in a blog post format, I do have a tutorial on how to do this on my blog, so I'll link that below. And that's it. Thanks, guys.